Today we're going to learn how to create a grease transition effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, take a video clips and create an adjustment layer. Want to top up it? Now align the adjustment layer with the video clips. Then go to Effect Control panel and search for the VR Digital Grease effect. Drag this effect onto the adjustment layer. Next, go to the Effect Controls. Here you will find the distortion option. Set the color distortion to 80%. Then turn on distortion complexity and distortion rate. Set the distortion rate to 70% and distortion complexity to 25%. Now scroll down and enable keyframes for distortion evolution. Press Shift on the keyboard and move forward 5 frames. Then increase the evolution. Align. Press Shift, move forward another 5 frames and decrease the evolution. Repeat this process as a few times. Next, enable keyframe for master amplitude. Move 5 frames backward and set it to 0%. Then move 5 frames forward and set it back to 0%. Now if we play it, you will see the grease effect working properly. After that, go to the effect panels again and search for the transform effect. Drag it onto the adjustment layer and the effect controls. Set the scale to 105%. Turn on the position keyframe and pressing Shift, move 5 frames forward to animate it. Adjust the position slightly to create a shaky effect. Then set the shutter angle to 90%. Once everything is done, play it back and you will see that the grease transition effect has been successfully created. If you want, you can duplicate the adjustment layer and apply this effect anywhere else. For more interesting video editing tutorials, click out my previous videos and make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming content.